Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use promo code in EasyPark. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the EasyPark application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log in to your profile, or of course if you don't have a profile you can always go and register to EasyPark. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. You can see that we have your location here off. My location service is at the moment off, but be sure guys that if you put your location, it'll be here. Now also in the top right corner, we have everything about your account, as you can see here in the displayed screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use promo code in EasyPark. It is pretty simple. So if you have received a promo code in one other option, navigate in the app to the menu by pressing more. So basically go to the top right corner, click here. Now go to payment and click on current payment method. So when you click on payment, here go and click on current payment method that you of course put in the application. Here you can find the option to add a promo code. Just then go and enter, as you can see, add a promo code. Just enter your and paste the code that you chose from the redeem code that you got from the redeem code. And basically when you get that, that's basically what you need to do. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.